Good afternoon, profitable traders. Welcome to the New York Market Follow session. So good to have each and every one of you around for this session. This is just a recap of what was analyzed during the London session. And for this segment, I'll be analyzing the XY, GBP USD, and Euro USD. So starting off with the XY monthly time frame. Nothing has really changed from what was analyzed during the day. Just in a clear of this liquidity residing right here. And on the weekly time frame too, we saw a clear of this liquidity, right? Down to the daily time frame, price traded into our very first point of interest, which is this very fair value gap right here. Although ultimately we want to see price resonate with this very other block at 102 spot 957. And now to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, of course, price tapped into our second point of interest, right? And we're seeing some push to the downside. Earlier today, I said that I will be interested in taking the sales on the XY when I see a break of this very low at 100 spot 186. That hasn't happened yet, so I will only be looking out for buy opportunities. And narrowing down to the 15 minutes time frame, price has actually traded into our point of interest right here, this very left shoulder right here at 100 spot 337. If you're around during the London market color session, I actually stressed that we should take note of these various points of interest that we're looking out for price trading to. So, because the left shoulder right here sweep to the downside, break to the upside, price traded into this very left shoulder, seeing some push to the upside, right? Kind of aligning with the analysis and what we're expecting price to do on the XY. So down to the dollar correlated pairs, GBP USD. The monthly time frame, we're seeing some push to the downside. On the weekly time frame, we've been seeing price struggling to take out this very high right here, and down to the daily time frame right here. On the daily time frame, price actually tapped into this very high, and we're seeing some reaction of that level. We've been seeing price struggling to take out this high for a long period of time. And on the 4-hour time frame, of course, we said that we will be interested in, taking the buys on USD when we kind of see the break of this high right here, and that has already happened to see the break of this high. What I'm looking out for is a retest for price to come back and retest is very high and kind of keep buying all the way to the upside for USD. 1 hour time frame, of course, we're expecting a little bit of a sell, although it was really clear during the day and during the London session rather. So seeing that the break of this high has happened on the 4 hour time frame, we just be looking out for buy opportunities instead. Right, just be looking out for buy opportunities. I'm not so clear on what you want to do or what you is doing, so we'll just head straight to Euro USD. For Euro USD on the monthly time frame, we're seeing more push to the downside and down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame right here, we're seeing that price cleared this very high right here, grabbing liquidity to the upside. Right, so if we will be favoring the push percent swing on the daily time frame from point A to point B, we're interested in seeing price, trading into a 61.8% feedback fund, holding off that point. There's even a family gap right here. So price just retraced into this very level and I've seen some push to the upside on 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we actually said that we will be interested in taking buy positions for Euro USD when we see a break of this very high right here. Break of this very high at 1.12670, and that hasn't happened yet. So we will instead be looking out for sell opportunities. And earlier today during the London session, we actually pointed out this very point of interest. Left shoulder right here, swing to the upside, break to the downside, and we're waiting for price to trade back into us, but 1.593, and price did exactly that. We're seeing some push to the downside, aligning with the analysis that we had earlier today. So if you were there during the analysis and you were able to catch this trade, that's also, if you're not able to do it, that's also not so bad. There are going to be several opportunities in the market to take positions and make money. Please be taking questions. I will be taking questions at this point. If you have questions, the contrary bias from what has been realized, you can type in the chat box and we will be looking at what you see together. If you have questions, there are no questions. I'd like to announce that the FX Bootcamp training, registration for the FX Bootcamp training is up and running. Kindly chat us on 081-699-5030 so that we can, help you with the process to register. We'll be going on a very brief break and still will be coming up with analysis on gold and the yen basket. Do not go anywhere. Cheers and God bless.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Market Corner. So let's quickly look at gold and qualitative today. Now, if you're looking at gold on the higher time frame, starting off from the daily time frame, you see that gold is trading strong chance. So you can see that gold is making its way to the downside. This is dollar don't realize the dollar index area. So the dollar don't be bringing about the crash and the sending further and further to the downside. We're expecting growth to trade all the somewhere around here because price of the it's 3,000 price points is a reference. So this is another reference. So I see it's a bit 3,000. So we're looking to see trading journey is to level aside. Maybe we reanalyze it for now, gold is a 7. Now, talking about gold being a 7, let's look at lower time frame to see what. Let's look at the lower time frame. See possible trades that will play out today. Now that we've seen gold sell off this much, the advice just with a brief retracement and then continue selling to the downside. We may not retrace all the way out because of the volatility in the market and the intensity at which it's moving to the downside. But then I just want to see give a very brief retracement. I'm looking at somewhere around here, which is this week. And I see to trade all the way there. Take sell trades from this. So I'm expecting to trade from right. So I'm expecting to get into here when retracement starts and then sell it something like this. To sell it. Expected to play out. Sorry about the network. I hope you can hear me clearly now. So I was saying that for all right, please let me know if you can hear me clearly. I think the sound quality should have improved a bit. All right. So I was saying that based off the analysis on gold earlier this week on Monday, we analyzed to see gold selling to the downside. So that has been our expectation so far. On the daily time frame, we're expecting gold to keep trading to the downside because at this point, the dollar is gaining strength and we're expecting it to continue that way. And while the dollar is gaining strength, we're expecting to see gold drop further to the downside as it proceeds. Now, if you look at it on the 4-hour time frame, you'd also notice that gold has broken structure for this what do you call it now? The month of May. So this was the lowest point of the month of May. Gold has also broken it. So clearly on the 4-hour time frame, we're in a downtrend for gold, and on the 1 hour, we're expecting it to keep selling. I was talking about the 1 hour where I said that I would want to see it retracing to this level here and sell off because it has already resumed its sell seriously in this New York session. The sell has been going, so we're expecting to see gold sell off massively to the downside, and then we take it off from there. So talking about where we expect to see it sell off to, let me show you that quickly. Back to the daily time frame. I said we will be looking to see gold selling to 3,000 price points. So until gold gets to 3,000, anytime we see any retracement, you take a quick sell. Anytime you see any retracement, just run the sell to the downside. You can see all the way from here. At every instance of a retracement, created a new entry for gold to sell off. So right now, if you see retracement back to this level here, you should be looking to sell gold back to the downside from there. Okay, so this is my analysis on gold. Currently, I'm just waiting for a pullback. When it gets there, I'll be selling gold to the downside. Okay, so I hope this is clear and very objective for everyone. This is going to be the end of today's market call-up. We hope you were able to gain some value from what we've shared today. Okay. All right. So until tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. GMT +1, we're going to be having the London session market call-up. But Remember, you can keep engaging on the Telegram group so that we would also have an avenue to converse with each other of happenings in the market. Okay, so this is going to be all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone who joined today's market call. Someone is asking for EU. EU was analyzed earlier, so just quickly go to YouTube, go to our YouTube channel, Value Free Trading Hub on YouTube. Check the immediate, the most recent live video. You would be able to watch the recap of what happened earlier today because we analyzed EU. You'll be able to see what we analyzed for EU. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, everyone. See you tomorrow morning. Cheers and God bless.